This video is nothing like ones I've made before. I am about to teach you 5 instant tricks that will take your edits to the next level, so they'll actually boost your chance of going viral. I'm not playing around, bro. Even my football channels are getting millions of views. Before we begin, don't worry, I'm teaching every tricks for both AlightMotion and CapCut. So let's go step by step. Trick number 1. This one's simple, but if you pay attention, your videos will instantly look better. I'm talking about sound design. Tell me which one sounds better. Exactly, you picked the second one. Why? Because it uses perfect sound effects, like a ball being kicked or hitting the crossbar. Before I explain, let me just say everything you see in this video is available to download in my Telegram channel, so just join and you'll find it all there. So once you open CapCut and import your clip, the first thing you gotta do is add these football sound effects, all of which I uploaded in my Telegram. Now when you've added them, look for the right moments in your edits. Exactly like my clip, the player's running and tapping the ball, passing, shooting every time his foot hits the ball. We add a second effect, so I cut the video where needed. And add the S effects exactly where his foot makes contact. Done. Alright, cool. Here's the results. Now let's do the same thing in AlightMotion. In here it's basically the same, just more precise. Add your clip like before, then mark every point where the player kicks or touches the ball using this little marker icon. Then grab your sound effects. I already shared them in my Telegram channel. And match them to those points. It's all about accuracy and realism. It should feel real. Once I do that for every moment, I'll be back. Alright dude, that's done, and just like CapCut, but even cleaner. The second trick to create this cool green effects for the goal when the goalkeeper gets scored on. It's super easy, but it's better to do it in AlightMotion. But don't worry, I teach you how to create it on CapCut also. So to make it, first I want to add a ding sound effect to give it a better vibe, so you can add it too. Just follow what I do. Then, to make the green goal, go to the overlay and choose a green screen, like I did. Alright, realize it and place it over the goal. And fit it with the goal, just like I do. Now from the mask section, choose circle and apply the change I made to it. In this part you have to make a keyframe every few seconds, so the movement kind of tracks with the goal. And that's it, here's the results, which can look way better in AlightMotion if you do it. Alright, now in AlightMotion it's exactly like CapCut. You just need to add a cool sound effect right when the ball hits the goal, so it looks awesome. All you have to do is add the sound effect and extract audio, so you only have the sound. Then cut the part you want to use and place it exactly where it should be. Now that the sound effect is added, time for the main part. Just go to the shape section, select this one and match it with the goal frame.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand open arms.
Now go to the part where the effects should start and fit it with the goal. Add the transform effect. Now every few seconds create a keyframe and match the green effect with the goal. Do exactly what I do until it's done. Then add a fade to make it more attractive. And that's the final result, guys. The third trick is using the stylish and cool overlays that you've probably seen before. Their exact name is light click transition. And with a simple search on YouTube, you can find and download tons of awesome ones. To use it, you just need two clips next to each other where you want to add the transition and bit blend. All you gotta do is go to overlay section, bring it to the timeline, and cut the part you want to use. Scale it up so it fits the composition. And simply change its blending mode to filter. And you're done. Playing around with it a bit so it sits perfectly between the bits. And that's it. It's that easy. For AlightMotion, it's the same. Not much difference like before. Place two clips next to each other and drop the overlay into your project. Cut the part you want to use. Scale it up so it covers the full screen. And then go to this section and set its blending mode to screen. Alright, now we're at tip number 4. And this one's honestly one of the best. You've probably noticed how insanely smooth those football edits look, right? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about here. A lot of people think they need to export their edits in 60 FPS to get that smooth look. But bro, that's not even 1% through. Most of the clips you're editing are already in 30 FPS, so exporting in 60 FPS won't change anything. It just makes the exporting takes longer and uses up more resources. Instead, just export your videos in 30 FPS. Then download this app called TIMECUT on your phone. It's super easy to find. Just grab it from a trusted source. Once you have installed it, just tap this option. And convert your video to 60 FPS. Wait a bit and boom, that's it. You've got that smoothness everyone's after. And finally, we are at the trick you've been waiting for, the best one, and that's none other than text tracking. You've probably seen it before. A player has some text above their head, and as they move, the text moves with them. Well, that's exactly what I want to show you, but not in this video because so it's doesn't get too long. Instead, you can click the link at the top of the screen to watch it. It's super easy and super useful. So guys, that's it. I'm sure there were a bunch you didn't know about. So if this helped you out, don't be unfair. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to learn the best chord correction you can ever do on mobile, check out the video just popped up here.